When your internet connection fails during remote work, every minute counts. This guide will help you quickly diagnose and resolve common network issues to get you back online and productive. First, let's establish your baseline connection needs. For video calls and remote desktop access, you'll want at least 10 Mbps download and 2 Mbps upload speeds. Keep these numbers handy. They're your benchmark for acceptable performance. Start with the basics. Power cycle your modem and router. Unplug both devices, wait 30 seconds, then plug in the modem first. Wait 2 minutes before connecting your router. This simple reset solves roughly 70% of common connectivity issues. If you're still experiencing problems, check your Wi-Fi signal strength. Position yourself closer to your router and ensure there aren't large metal objects or thick walls blocking the signal. For optimal remote work setup, your workspace should be within 20 feet of your router. Create a backup internet solution before you need it. Configure your smartphone as a mobile hotspot or invest in a dedicated mobile hotspot device. Many companies now reimburse these costs. Check with your employer. Here's a pro tip. Create a separate network for work devices. Most modern routers offer dual band capabilities. Use the 5 GHz band for your work equipment and the 2.4 GHz band for other household devices. This separation reduces network congestion and improves stability. Keep essential troubleshooting tools ready. Download a network speed test app and ping test utility on both your computer and phone. When issues arise, you can quickly determine if the problem is your local network or your internet service provider. For consistent performance, wire your primary workstation directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. While wireless is convenient, a wired connection provides the most stable experience for video conferences and data-intensive tasks. Document your network settings, including your IP address, DNS servers, and gateway information. If you need to reconfigure your connection, having this information readily available saves precious time. Finally, maintain relationships with your neighbors. Know who has a reliable internet connection and discuss the possibility of sharing Wi-Fi in emergencies. Many professionals now have informal backup agreements with neighbors to ensure business continuity. Remember, a robust internet connection is the lifeline of remote work. By implementing these strategies and maintaining backup plans, you'll minimize downtime and maintain productivity, regardless of technical challenges. Keep this guide handy. Your future self will thank you when connectivity issues strike.